Welcome to our video on robotics, a field of technology that has revolutionized the way we live and work. In this video, we will be discussing the key concepts, applications, and recent advancements in robotics. So, let's get started. Robotics is a field of technology that involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are machines that are programmed to perform a range of tasks automatically and autonomously using sensors, motors, and other components to sense and interact with the environment. Please remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comment for a feedback. The term robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor or work. Robotics has been around for decades, but recent advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensors have led to the development of more sophisticated robots that can perform a wide range of tasks with increasing autonomy and intelligence. Recent advances in robotics. Recent advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensors have led to the development of more sophisticated robots that can perform a wide range of tasks with increasing autonomy and intelligence. For example, robots with advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms can perform tasks that require perception and decision-making in unstructured environments. Soft robots made of flexible materials can mimic the movement and dexterity of human muscles. Additionally, robots can now be controlled by human thought, enabling people with disabilities to interact with the world in new ways. Robotics is a field of technology that has revolutionized the way we live and work. It has a broad range of applications in various industries and has the potential to transform our daily lives in numerous ways. However, it also raises important societal and ethical considerations that must be addressed. As we continue to advance in robotics, it's essential to consider its implications for society and strive for a future that benefits everyone.